In this video I'm going to be sharing with you the top 2 best soccer predictions websites. If you are a bettor who is looking for reliable football predictions tips that you want to bet on directly every day, or you just want a good website where you can cross-check your own predictions after doing your analysis. These 2 sites are game-changing soccer betting prediction websites that have become the go-to platforms for enthusiasts seeking accurate insights and winning strategies. And both beginners and pro bettors can easily use them. The first prediction website is Mighty Tips. Just type Mighty Tips into your search bar. Once the result appears, click on Correct Score Tips and Predictions. When you get to this page, you'll see different exact score predictions that have already been analyzed by different experts. You'll see the names of the experts and most importantly, their 5-star rating, which is based on how good or accurate their previous predictions have been on the platform. To read more information about each prediction, simply click on Red Tip for in-depth analysis. If you notice, you will see that this page is majorly for correct scores. A correct score site is the best source for football prediction, especially the straight win option. This is because before you can predict a correct score, you must be almost 100% sure of the winner first before you give them a score, so this means, even if the scores here are not correct after the match, the chances that the favorite team in their prediction will win are more than 85% guaranteed. The second prediction platform is Football Whispers. This site deals with football predictions and odds explanation. For me, this is the best one for lazy bettors. Here you will have all the facts and information you need about each match. You'll be informed about the playing form and goal-scoring form of both teams, including injury updates as well as their honest predictions and tips on various betting options, which are backed by current facts and the odds provided by bookmakers. The analysts here are real football lovers who understand the game on a deeper level. So if you need an expert's insight on betting on football matches, this is going to be a great website for you. If you are the type that wants to make daily money with soccer betting and you want to deeply understand football betting to a high degree, you need to buy this book now. It's available for both beginners and pro punters. It is also available for those who want to buy a physical copy and those who just want to be able to read it on a phone, laptop, or other devices. Go and get yours if you haven't, and learn. If you are from Nigeria or Ghana and you have a problem buying yours through the link, message me on WhatsApp now to get the PDF for half the price. The link to both the book and my WhatsApp contact is in the comments section and the description box.